MeghalayaPost.news.
The State Council of Science, Technology and Environment SCSTE Meghalaya mentasngi klapli by a Meghalaya Star 30 guiding aspiration for Neet exams ha kajingilang kaplapenlong ha SIRD campus nang Sder Hariboy district. Professor Dr. Nalin Mehta, Director Kanigrams, Ulawan Benshimenta kum ukongsan haringkat kajingdon lang kiwe Kibakentop ya USR Marang, Director ke SIRD, Dr. Varun Murthy, Program Lead, Ugonanka DBIFS Member Secretary jong SCSTE, ka Sarkar Meghalaya bat kiwe ki officer. Ha kene ke jingple ke Meghalaya Star 30 la dong dengkat ro ki saw prangot ki Samla Pule ki bla pendap ke class 12 bat ha kene ke sngi ki la samro ke tablet shwa bagin Bynta kene ke program ai Shah Hikai ha kene ke thop jong ke Meghalaya Star 30 kene ke Meghalaya Star 30 ke de ke program kerpang ke Sarkar Meghalaya men ai Shah Hikai ki Samla Pule bala pendap class 12 science nak menta ben Iakhun ya ke Neet exams bala ai jeng ke shan kerpang da ke Sarkar Meghalaya.
First and foremost, my dear students, their parents, and the dignitaries on the dais. It gives me immense pleasure to be here with you today. And after this initial sentence, I want to cut out the formalities. Alright? Can everybody hear me? Wonderful. Okay, there are a couple of things you need to know as you embark upon this journey. One, Gunanka has already asked you. If you are seriously interested in becoming doctors, stay here. If you have been forced by your parents or friends or relatives that my dream is to see my son or grandson as a doctor, their dreams are none of your business. If it is your dream, if it is your passion, if it is your voluntary wish, only then please stay here. I can go back to 1981 when I was a 17-year-old and I stepped into MBBS first year at Jipmer in Pondicherry. Those days we didn't have too many colleges and the entrance exams were very rigorous. Now here the initiative is to provide you with that rigor. Those of you who are under the impression that you are here for a picnic, you are partly right. Because if you can have fun when you are working hard, then it becomes a picnic. Then you are realizing your dream. That having been said, there are recreational avenues that you will be exposed to. Now I want a few students to raise their hands if they know who won the Wimbledon title last evening.
Raise your hand.
Who won the Wimbledon championship yesterday? Okay. Who won Euro 24 last night? Yeah. Who? Scored. Who scored? Shame. Alright. Is there any other tournament going on? What time did Copa America finish? And who won? Argentina won by a solitary goal scored by Martinez in the 112th minute of extra time while you people were here. The match finished about 40-45 minutes ago. Now what I am trying to tell you guys, it's not enough that you are just reading and buried in your books. I do not want bookworm doctors. As the director of this institute here in Shillong and as a faculty member at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences and a proud Indian doctor, I just want you to know that your role, once you start this journey of doing MBBS, your role is not just being a doctor. On this planet, doctors wear multiple hats. When a patient comes to you with a problem, he is looking at advice. He is looking at medical treatment. He is looking at mentorship. So you are a friend, philosopher, guide, a mentor, a teacher, a trainer, and a doctor. You are doctors because people trust you. Patients will come to you. Patients do not know you at all. So this is the only profession in which the patients will come to you, trusting you with their life. So please don't take it as a joke. This is a very serious business. And those of you who think that after Dr. Murthy told you that you have an 11-hour day, that we are in a concentration camp or this is worse than army training, some of you must have thought that. And I'm glad if you are thinking that way. But let me make your life a little more pleasant. Once you become doctors, your duty is 24/7, 365. Right? So I hope you can start practicing to be up.
MeghalayaPost.news